Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Facebook ID and password. To access your Facebook account, you typically use an email address or a mobile phone number as your login ID, along with your unique password. This combination is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring only you can access your personal information, messages, and connections. Keeping these details secure is paramount for your online safety. Your Facebook ID is a unique numerical identifier for your profile. You can often find it by navigating to your profile page on a desktop browser. It's usually part of the URL after Facebook.com/. Alternatively, some third-party tools can help you retrieve it by entering your profile URL. This ID is distinct from your login credentials and helps others identify your specific profile. Managing your Facebook password is straightforward. If you forget it, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it via email or phone. For proactive security, regularly change your password within your account settings. Aim for a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, ideally at least 8 characters long, to maximize protection. Protecting your Facebook account requires vigilance. Always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Never share your password, and be extremely cautious of suspicious emails or messages asking for your login details. These simple steps significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.